Hi everyone, welcome to today's fun little makeup moment. We are going to win it literally because today we are going to talk about the JAFRA Eyeliner collection and how each one can help you create easy, everyday, or bold glam looks. So stay with me and discover your next favorite JAFRA eyeliner. Eyeliner is one of those tiny products that completely changes your look. It can lift your eyes, make your lashes look thicker, define shape, or add full-on drama with just one swipe. And the fun part? JAFRA has a liner for every personality and every makeup mood, from liquid to pencil, from matte to glossy. Here is a quick fun moment. Brown eyeliner is perfect for soft natural looks, everyday definition, and a more friendly warm vibe. It's also amazing for bronzy looks. While the black eyeliner is your best friend for bold, dramatic, nighttime, or high impact looks, it sharpens the eye and makes your lashes look thicker. If you want to create intensely pigmented lines with clean edges and a high-impact matte finish, we recommend that you go with the Inkball Intense Matte Liquid Eyeliner. And here is a fun fact. Matte liners photograph beautifully because they don't reflect light, just pure definition. And why are you going to love this product is because the tip brush makes it so easy on the application. It gives you that matte finish that is modern, dramatic, and is on trend. Plus, you can create a variety of looks with just one product. If you're looking to achieve total precision with bold lines that dry quickly and stay put for up to 12 hours, go with the Always Inkwell eyeliner, the classic, the icon, one of the best sellers here at JAFRA. And why are you going to love this one? Because with this eyeliner, you can create a crisp, clean wing. And based on independent consumer study, 98% agree that it lasts up to 12 hours. They also agree 92% that it delivers intense color, and 85% agree that it doesn't transfer. Now we have the Always Power Liquid Eyeliner. This one has a felt tip that is so easy to work with. It's like if you're drawing with a pen. It's glossy black, lasts up to 12 hours, and resists smudging. And did you know that glossy liners add dimension? It actually makes your eyes look more open on camera or during nighttime events. Next is your go-to everyday liner, the Automatic Eyeliner in Jet Black. It has a gel-like glide and perfect for people who want definition but not a harsh wing. And of course, we have the classic eye pencil. Super creamy, super blendable, and is perfect for a softer, more natural look. We had so much fun in this eyeliner party that we talked about liquid, matte, glossy, pencil. So now it's your turn. Which eyeliner will you be adding to your makeup bag today?